Well, whilst our photos might look amazing, the process in order to get that photo is a mission. Each individual compliance officer has a pretty valuable role here. We all assist each other, and that's what makes us such a great team. We have an extremely valuable asset and part of our team who's a professional cameraman. Obviously you can tell by the photos we have, they're pretty amazing. So those in themselves help boost us with the adoptions. It's a real tricky process, because not only does the photographer have to focus, he has to get his lighting right, everything has to be right, but the dog has to be calm enough to let us take that split second of the photos. You get certain dogs that can cause a real storm and blow the internet up to the point where sometimes I even have to put a photo on hold just because there's so much interest. Our numbers have tripled in adoption numbers. So this year alone, we've adopted 3 years combined the previous. So we've done 133 adoptions this year so far. One of the goals we do try and achieve with these photos is that we always try and get a dog to look directly into the camera, which, you know, in theory means it's looking at you and your family, and really do give you a brief idea of what a dog is like just through a photo.